Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review of the Jockey Classics underwear. This is the medium-sized quantity 4 boxer briefs with Stay New technology. They've been doing this since the 1800s, so I would assume that these guys make a mean pair of underwear. I have worn Jockey before. It's quite comfortable, 100% cotton. And here is the photo of a fit man's torso. Stay white and bright, tag free, full rise fit, 13 stitches per inch for durability. Worn these before, very comfortable. I will have an Amazon link below to buy these. Hold on a second. It says white on the package, but this comes in 3 different colors of gray, light white gray, and black. And I like that they're tagless, you know? Sometimes underwear come with some pretty mean tags on them. These are nice and tagless. There you go. They do come in different sizes for different people, so check your waist size before buying these. Other than that, Chmelaeon.com has basically every piece and article of clothing you can imagine, everything from outdoor survival gear down to bras and underwear. And we also have a name your price tool. So if you stay on the product long enough, you can actually shoot us an offer for the product itself. That's one of the things we pride ourselves on Chmelaeon.com. But for these guys, we're going to have the Amazon link below. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com for any of your clothing needs. All right. Thanks. Chmelaeon.com. Out.